everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. In today's video we are partnering up with RoseForever again, my favorite forever roses, and this is for Mother's Day, upcoming Mother's Day, and I cannot tell you how excited I am. So today I'm going to show you which gorgeous bouquet we have here. This is the gorgeous rose bouquet we have this time around, and here they are. This is the stunning rose bouquet in a velvet heart-shaped case and 36 red roses. How much I love these roses because they are the everlasting roses. They remain as it is for a long time, and you know how many rose bouquet I have in my collection. So whenever there is any occasion, I get one of their bouquets, and they're so beautiful. They also smell so beautiful, and these are naturally preserved roses. This rose bouquet is absolutely stunning for Mother's Day. I think for Mother's Day a heart-shaped case is really so adorable, and also this is classic. Any woman would love to get red roses, so I got this for Mother's Day, and if I have to give my mom something, I would definitely go with red roses because I think all women love red roses, so you can never go wrong, and mothers will be so happy to have this beautiful heart. But you also have many different options. If you're thinking about different options, they have like square cases, there are round cases, and it also comes in velvet or different marble design, and also clear cases, so you have many different options to choose from. And roses also comes in many different colors. Roses are naturally preserved without any harmful chemicals. So if you're looking for a really good naturally preserved roses that are long lasting to keep your memory refreshed for a very long time, so RoseForever will be the option. I have a coupon code for you guys, and also I have a link that I will be putting down below in the description box, so you can click the link, directly go to the page, and also use my coupon code to save some. RoseForever actually has different kind of roses, different varieties of colors, like you have blue, you have different shades of blue, different shades of pink and white. Also there are very pretty yellow roses which I absolutely love, and I think those are something I'm going to collect next time. You have orange roses, so pretty, and some of their collections sells out really fast, so you can just keep yourself in the wait list or wait for them to come back. There are popular ones, for example the dome shape that I showed you in my last video. The dome shape roses are really nice. I love this heart shape so much. It's very special for a special person or a special occasion. There are square boxes, marble boxes, which are very stunning, and depending on how you decorate your room, you can choose any of those boxes that you love. And I think crystal boxes, that was my first ever rose bouquet, and that was so useful as well, and so stunning, so aesthetic, because I put it on my vanity all the time and it looks very beautiful. The crystal box actually has drawers where you can put your anything precious like jewelries, or you can decorate it. That's another option. RoseForever also has home stands, and depending on your choice, you can pick anything. They have different kind of fragrances. Those are their very popular home scents, and they're huge in size. I have showed you before. I got the rosy fragrance, which like fresh cut roses, and they looks very aesthetic. So talking about candles, I also want to mention you that their candles are also made, their fragrant candles are also made in natural way, so they don't really use anything that is toxic. So sometimes we are a little bit worried about using the home scents because sometimes they have like those chemicals that are toxic, but they are all natural, so I just don't worry about the fragrances, and I can use them, light them up whenever I want, and they make my house smell really good. I think if you're looking for a good gift for your special person, you can definitely go and check RoseForever, because they have the candles and they have these different kind of roses. And not only roses, recently they have added some spring bouquet in their collection. Actually browsing their website, and I have a few in my wish list. They have like this ceramic cases where you have different kind of floral arrangements, and they're all sold out, so I could not really get those this time. Probably in another time I'm going to get those. So they have like ceramic sapphire, ceramic scarlet, they have ceramic blush. Also they have these gorgeous hydrangeas. They're so pretty, so perfect for spring and summer. So if they have them in their collection back again, definitely I'm going to pick those. And also they have those long vases where you have the rose stems, and those are pretty too. So depending on which corner of the house you're going to decorate, you can pick from a lot of varieties of options. Thank you RoseForever for this beautiful partnership. I enjoyed so much for this Mother's Day. My kids actually wanted to get me something, and I told them to pick something from RoseForever, and I showed them all different options. They actually choose this for me, and thank you so much RoseForever, and also thanks to my kids who picked up this one. So I really love this 36 red roses in a heart shape. This is very precious. I think RoseForever actually helps you to keep these memories fresh for such a long time. Usually when we get roses, they just last a week or so, but in this way you can preserve natural roses. These are natural, so these are more precious, and they just last forever. The roses that I received from RoseForever more than 2 years back, they're still as new as fresh, so they are just long lasting, and I really adore these roses. If you want to see some other rose bouquet that I have in my collection, I will link them down below in the description box. All the videos I have so far with RoseForever. You can also check my Instagram and my YouTube for all those collections. They're also pretty. I cannot really choose one, like I don't know which one is the prettiest. All of them are beautiful in different ways for different occasion. So yeah, that is everything. Let me know in the comment section below what you are picking for this upcoming Mother's Day for your mother. I'll be really interested to know that. Hope this video was helpful for you, and that's everything for today. I end this video here today. I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.